How to use training videos for traffic coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'll be showing you how you can use training videos for traffic. And before we get on to the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and I show you how to make passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also, you can check out my #1 recommendation in making a full-time income down in the description. Alright, so let's get on to the video. So how we can use training videos to get traffic, because if you don't have the idea, right, guys, actually got this just recently, and I think I'm gonna use this strategy moving forward with this channel. Training videos are videos that are getting views quickly, right? So people are actually, coming in watching this video. So what you're gonna do here is that you're gonna go on your training, right, and you're gonna see which videos that you can talk about, and that's what I like. That's what's the strategy now, because you want to get a piece of the pie, right? So what I like about that, because I got one YouTuber that I have this idea that he's using training videos. Like, he uses the Pacquiao Thurman fight coming in July 20, and he made a video on that, and he did his research, and then that video garnered him 1 million. So I was, it was good enough to teach us how he did it, and it's on using the training videos. So you can see here that which people are actually searching, or what people are actually watching right now. So you can, you see here, the bottle cap challenge. I see this a lot now on my YouTube newsfeed. So what if you make a video on that, right? So it's crazy. Let's see what we can talk about. Politics. I think it's a good topic, but you're gonna have like positive and negative reviews, comments on that one, because politics are always, there was always two sides on politics. So if you want to do that, talk about politics, especially with Trump, because Trump right now is really trending and very popular. So also, UFC, you can talk about UFC. Here, see, problem solving of filmmaking, sports. We will have ideas here. So right now, Kawhi Leonard is really training. So if you want to talk about that, you definitely get a view on that one. You have definitely have viewers on that one. Versus, right, or like this one, technology. You get the idea, guys. You get the idea. Get ideas here, and then I would suggest you install TubeBuddy or vidIQ. It's a tool you can use on YouTube, and because let's go to Trump, right? Let's go to Trump. Okay, let's pause this. So you will have statistics here. So you will have, you see here. So because you're gonna upload it, so this is one way you can get views from, you can siphon views from this topic. So this is the keyword, this is the description. Trump hosts 4th of July. I think this is the keyword, all right? And you see here the description, you see here the tags. This is very, very important, guys. So if you want to get videos, you will use these tags so to get views from that one. And yeah, views here, right? Tags. So this is very important, guys. So if you're gonna make a video on this one, get the description, right? That's your title, that's your keyword. I mean the title of the video, that's your keyword. Then get an idea on the description here, and copy the tags. So when you upload your video, you copy your tags, and then you just paste it. So definitely you will definitely get siphon views from this video. And that's it, guys. So this is going to be one of my strategy moving forward, because your goal if you're going to grow a YouTube channel is to get that one video go viral, because that will give you your authority, right? Because if the people see your channel, they have thousands of views, hundreds of thousands of viewers, or millions of views, that will generate to say, hey, maybe this guy is good, right? That will give you authority and stuff, and you will definitely get subscribers on just one video to go viral. So this is one strategy, and I'm gonna be using this strategy moving forward. And it's really simple, but then you do have to do your thing of if you don't want to like for example, if you don't want to make a video, you can use Creative Commons. So like this one, let's say Kawhi Leonard, right? So Kawhi Leonard. So this video, you click here and you click the filter and you go to Creative Commons. So Creative Commons are videos that are free to use, so you can repurpose them, but then you don't download them and then upload them. You can download them, edit them, make it your own, do a voiceover, and then re-upload it, right? So you don't need to make a video. You can use Creative Commons, use the description, title, description, and tags. But you have to get the vidIQ and TubeBuddy. They're both free. You have certain limits on that one, but then you can already use those tags filter that you can use, right? So this is, guys, is gonna be fun having this kind of knowledge. I really hope you get value. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give this video a thumbs down as well. So all right, guys, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.